love marriages versus arranged marriages. So, which do you feel is better and why? Radhika, what is your opinion?
Ma'am, in my opinion, also arranged marriages are better. I will
Mm-hmm.
also speak in favor of this topic.
Mm-hmm.
So first, I'll say some advantages related to arranged marriages.
Mm-hmm.
Like in arranged marriages, parents inquire about each other's family and their background, their circles. So there is high probability that one will get into a relationship with similar kind of family as theirs. Like family, when see for others uh, family background, so they feel like they try to find some family like of their own,
Mm-hmm.
similar to their own family. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, that is more better. Also, parents see in every background, like economically also they search also their family, also their environment, place, city, everything they see. uh, also, and if we see the case of love marriage, so firstly I'll say that love marriage is still socially unacceptable in some parts of India, so which witness honor killings in background, honor killings. So it is quite more risky nowadays because honor killings are increasing because of that also. And if I'll talk about youngsters, like Pratibha aunty said that maturity level, so I agree with that point also, because youngsters nowadays may confuse between attractions and love. So they do not understand the difference between both the things. Also, love is not the only thing we need in life. One should also check the reality of the reality, like family background, economic conditions, and the
Mm-hmm.
environment where they have grow up grown up or brought up. And also, ma'am, I've read that according to the research, one of the doctor, a psychologist, says that love and love marriages fade away with time, whereas love and arranged marriages grow with time. So I think that arranged marriages are better.
Nice. Okay. Great. Well explained, Radhika. Okay, Sohani, what's your opinion?
My opinion, love marriages are more successful than arranged marriages. We we feel that arranged marriages are more successful, but many of the many couples just live because in India marriages are a very important institution and cannot be broken very easily. So that's why I feel that love marriages are more successful. How can you give the commitment of living with a person for so many years without knowing him even for an year? And or even if our parents try to find out about the family, they might not know the reality inside the family within a month, because marriages are just we meet the family and try to find about them, and it's just within a month they decide about that they want to marry them or not. But in love marriages, you know the person for a very long time, you know about the reality of their family, and then you decide you want to marry him or her or not. So I feel that there are more chances of love marriages to be successful. But of course, at not very younger age, you can decide you want to marry a person or not, want to marry that person. Of course, there is an age after which you decide that you are capable of, you are mature enough to marry a person.
Okay, fine. Yes, Rani, what's your take?
uh, After listening all the views,
Mm-hmm.
I want to speak in favor of love marriage.
Right, very good.
Actually,
Swani gets
love
some
marriages are
support.
very very good compared to arranged marriages,
Mm-hmm.
because in any relationship there is uh, one thing very necessary, which is mutual understanding. And when two persons they when they know each other, they know each one's liking, disliking, hobbies, and mind mentality actually, and family background, and each and everything, then they can adjust with each other very easily. They know about the ambitions of both one each other, then they can definitely they will help to achieve their ambition. uh, as we all know that marriages are made in heaven, and marriages are also a gamble. So no one can uh, no one can take the responsibility that this marriage will be very successful or not.
So Rani and
Yes.
Suhani takes the side of love marriages, and Radhika, Pratibha takes the side of arranged marriage. Okay, who has anything to counter of the point given by the other party, other group, the opposing group? Like Radhika, do you want to counter any point given by Rani and Suhani?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, like Suhani said, uh, she said correct, but
You can
my talk.
tell her like Suhani, you said, so you can go like that. Mhm.
Yeah. So, like Suhani said, that how can we commit to a person in a month if we don't know that person, and in love marriage we are with that person for a year or for long, so we can get more comfortable. So but in arranged marriages also you can get comfortable, like after your marriage is fixed or after your engagement, you get time to interact with that person. uh, However, how many months doesn't matter, but we get time if you have got good time before marriage, so you can know about that person.
Yeah, but in
So
Indian society, when a marriage is fixed, then it is very difficult to break a marriage. And if we know a person for an year, then there are high scopes that we know the person at least half of what he is. And if we know the person for a month and then the marriage is fixed and then we get to know the person and we don't like him, then it's very tough to break a marriage.
It reminds me of one more point. Do you all not believe in love at first sight? Because there are so many means there are so many couples who decide to means get into relationship or tie the knot after getting into love in first at first sight. So then there, what about where does that spending time goes? Okay, you can answer.
So love at first sight is totally a wrong concept for according to me. How can love it is I think love at first sight is just attraction. When you don't know the person, how can you feel that he is the one kind of
Yes,
feeling?
I totally agree with Suhani. Love
Mhm.
at first sight is totally an attraction, nothing else. And
Mhm.
it is a confusion between love and attraction, just confusion. And it is,
I,
ma'am, it
Suhani.
looks more, ma'am, it looks like butterflies in real life, but I have not seen in real life yet. I don't know it is possible or not, but
Mhm.
I think it is good in real life only. It is not good in real life, I guess.
Mhm. Okay, fine. Okay, the word which we are using attraction, no, there is one another word for it, that is we can use infatuation. Infatuation is this attraction which people often consider as love just by looks and all people get attracted, and that word is infatuation. Okay, so any other point?
One point Radhika said that after engagement, uh, get some time and know each other. But in that period, only front of our fiance or in front of
The family,
everyone.
fiance's family, fiance's family.
Yes, everyone wants to give
Portray
their
a good
good
image.
face, good image and good face. I think that is not reality. That in that period, one cannot show their reality in front of their in-laws and in front of their fiance. I want to speak.
Good point given by Rani. Yes.
So 1 month is not the sufficient time, or 1 month, 2 month, or 6 months. You cannot understand anyone's reality properly.
Yes.
So Radhika, it's your turn now to answer, to say something on this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that it can be possible in case of in-laws that you will portray your image in front of your in-laws, but I don't think so that this will this same situation will be in both couple also, because it is a matter of life. So I don't think so that one will just portray because it is not the matter of 1 month or 2 or 3 months, it is matter of lifetime. Like ma'am, one's behavior can change with situation, but one's nature cannot change always.
That period, you see only qualities in that person. You cannot want to see any drawback of that person.
But at one point, your instinct or your intuition or anything you feel that there is something wrong or something bad. So I don't think that anybody can play with their own life, because nowadays everybody is so conscious about ourselves. In before time, pehle, like initially,
Earlier.
that was time that girls don't say no due to family reputation, their own reputation. But nowadays this is not case that a girl will sacrifice a lot if she feel that her fiance is bad or something wrong. So they will take stand, or they will say that.
That yes, people are not similar or not have same opinion, same likes, but whether it's marriage, love marriage or any marriage, but respect for each other and a little you can say support in getting yeah, achieving ambitions which partners wish for, all this is required, then only marriages work better. Right?
Yes, true.
Fine. Just learn to be happy with everyone. This should be the quality in all individuals.